Oh, those are interesting stairs. I'm getting closer. Haha. There's just about flight there. Just there. I know. Oh. Woo! Just you can hear nothing but the ocean. Oh. You see the moss, that's where it normally goes up to when it's high tide. Oh god, big waves! Off them. Oh. Let's head out. Dude's got a fish on the line. He's going for it. Just at the sports commentating.
Fishing's a sport too.
It is. I don't know where the fish is, but he's going for it. Everyone's just kind of stood there watching him. It reminds me of our Minecraft fishing sessions. In East Commons, just off fucking about fishing. Apparently, the road ahead is closed. We are doomed. Yes. It's a zombie invasion. No, it's a seagull invasion. Zombie seagull. Zombie seagull. Just so many seagulls everywhere.
Look at all the poo.
There's poo.
All the white.
Oh yeah. All the way up on the cliff. That's poo. That's seagull poo.
Holy shit! Look at that. Fuck me. That's a lot of seagull.
Wow.
Ew.
Yeah, there's just so many over there. You probably can't see on the camera right now.
Fucking hell. I'm not blind, I can see that.
Yeah, it's just the detail on the camera. Chips? Interesting.
Won't be any seagulls in there.
South Bay ahoy. Woo! Yeah. Use a mod that puts seagulls in.
Fucking hell. Look, it's watching.
It's watching.
It's like pictures when I get close to my big fuck off rock thing.
It's just seagull on top of a lamp.
It's like I'm above all this tomfoolery. And the other ones are like, rock! Evil! Poo!
MOAR seagulls. Oh god.
Video, the title is just seagull.
SBB go to Scarborough. MOAR seagulls. We're doing it. Oh. You could just see actually the camera makes it out quite good now. You could just see them all on the cliff face, just sat there, just the unlimited number of seagulls.
Infinite seagulls.
Bus! Seagulls. Techie.
Seagulls.
Seagulls. Van! Seagulls. Cliff, seagulls, van on toes. See. Oh yeah, I'm not doing this very particular.
Gulls.
Gulls? Ooh.
Seagulls.
See? Goes. Yes. Hey, take it, I got a joke. Why do seagulls live by the sea? Because otherwise they'd be called land gulls.
That's what they are called, land gulls. In the open sea.
That's...
I'm too tired for this shit.
Alright.
This fucking seagull again.
It's like there was just a big spray a second ago and I completely goddamn missed it. On the plus side, MOAR seagulls! I don't know. So. Techie has candy floss. There's a big bucket. Bloody hell.
Never to be seen again.
Oh, let's see what the shell shark has. The moonlight.
Onwards.
We're just buying all this useless shit. True, actually. Is it on?
Yes.
Oh god.
Bloody hell! Ah! Hell!
There we go.
You having fun there?
Oh
You dickhead. Woo!
I owned everything. I owned everything. Woo! Oh, that was awesome.
You big kid.
To the arcades. And this is Techie winning at arcades. Bloody hell, what are you? You monster!
Watch and learn, you Padawan.
What the fuck? If we ever go to a casino, I need to take you with me, god damn it.
Yep.
Let's see if I can win any more. Right, here we go. This might take a minute. Oh, I dropped more. Woo! She's trying to get those tickets, you see. We already got some from winning before. So if we get like 30, we can buy sweeties or something. I don't know. Okay, back to business. Whoa, did you just win like a massive bookload?
Yep.
Woohoo! Oh, almost. Woo! I got one coin. No, from a. I'm not gonna these. I might have to give. Arcade machine demon or what?
Slipping into the stash.
I have a stash in my pocket. A stash of what? I'll let you decide.
That was all perfect. Buddha fellow!
Oh my god, not the Buddha! Oh, Buddha! Oh! There we go! So that gives us 30 tickets, let's see what we can buy with them. You're gonna get more?
Tickets didn't drop then.
Did we not? I was gonna say I saw them drop. Wait, 30 tickets.
Yes, Commissioner. We'll be right over. Don't forget your ticket. Don't forget your ticket. Don't forget your ticket. Don't forget your ticket. Yes, Commissioner. We'll be right over.
Right, so how many tickets have we got? We got 40, 55 so far. To say it only gives you like 15 at most at a time, probably.
Bloody hell.
I think we've been in here too long. 78.
Shut up. It's fun.
It's like our number of deaths in Legendary. Oh my god.
So what prize do you want?
I don't know, but I didn't think we'd got 100. There you go, that's the last bunch. Oh my god. So 119 plus for the receipt.
You tell them the receipt over instead of...
Yeah.
You better take a look at what you want.
Let's have a look then. Oh, is it tape receipt? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, let's have a look at the awesome stuff we've got. Oh. There wasn't really anything at the gift shop, so we just gave them to some kid.
A tiny, tiny chance.
A tiny, tiny kid.
I do want to go at that though.
You do want to go at